1729 has any mathematician knows the story behind this. One of the most brilliant mathematical minds to ever walk the planet was an Indian mathematician by the name of Ramanujan. Self-taught genius, and almost went undiscovered, but sent his work to a few leading mathematicians in Europe, and one of them, a fellow by the name of G.H. Hardy, took his communications seriously enough, brought him to England. They published some of the most original mathematical work in the area of number theory that's ever happened. Well, as a story that illustrates Ramanujan's brilliance, one day when Hardy visited Ramanujan while he was in the hospital, they were making small talk, and Hardy said, "You know, the taxi cab on the way to the hospital, the number was 1729, and I couldn't think of anything interesting about that number." That's what mathematicians talk about, you know. And Ramanujan said, "No, Hardy, that's a very interesting number. It is the first number, the smallest positive number, that is the sum of the cubes of two positive numbers in two different ways." You know, it's 10 cubed plus 9 cubed. It also happens to be 12 cubed plus 1 cubed. So the fact that this is equal to these two things isn't so remarkable as the fact that Ramanujan just spontaneously recognized this property. So that's a classic story, and I mean a true story. Yes, please.